Hello everyone, how are you? Enjoying your vacations? Yes, this is your vacation only because there is no online classes, chutti. That means if there is no classes, we are in holidays and we are enjoying our holidays, isn't it? Yes. In this vacation, there is one problem. The problem is that we can't go outside. I know. You can't go to your dadi house, your nani house, anywhere, or any out of station with your parents, isn't it? So what? We can enjoy in our home also, isn't it? See, when there were classes, I think you were watching your favorite cartoon show for half an hour or 10 to 5 minutes more. Now you can watch it for 1 hour, isn't it? Now you can play your favorite music and dance on it. Now you can draw, paint, whatever you like you can do in your free time, isn't it? But yes, don't forget to study every day. Take out some time, 1 hour for your studies. Okay? Clear? And in my last video, I told you now how to keep ourselves hydrated. Drink lots of water, eat juicy fruits, use umbrella and hats whenever it is very necessary to go out in afternoon, isn't it? So, okay. Now, do whatever you like in your free time. Clear? After your studies is completed. Okay. Now come to the point. So, we are here in our English class of Standard 1, isn't it? And today we are going to learn about one grammar topic, general names and special names. Okay. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of general name and special name. First of all, in our earlier classes, we have learned about naming words, isn't it? I think all of you remember. Then tell me, what are naming words? Okay. Naming words are the names of a persons, places, things and animals. Isn't it? Am I right? Naming words are the names of persons, places, things and animals. Now, do you know these naming words have different types? But in this class, we are going to learn about 2 types of naming words. How many types? 2 types of naming words. What are those? General names and special names. General names and special names. Okay. Now for this, I will show you one picture. Okay. First of all, see this picture. Now, I will show you one picture. See it very carefully. See this picture. This picture. Can you see this picture? Now, what can you see in this picture? Here, we can see that the boys and girls are playing in the park. Isn't it? Boys and girls are playing in the park. So, am I talking about any particular boy or girl here? No. What I am talking about? The boys and girls are playing in the park. So, here I am talking about a boys and girls in general. isn't it? In general. So this boy, girl, these are general, these are called general names, isn't it? I'm not talking about any particular boy or girl. But if in this picture only, suppose this girl who is swinging, her name is Poonam. Okay? Suppose her name is Poonam. And when I will say that Poonam is swinging, she's sitting on a swing now. Poonam is swinging in the park. Am I talking about all boys and girls? No. I am talking about a particular girl whose name is Poonam. So here Poonam is a special name. Poonam is a special name. So when I am talking about any boy or girl, the boy and girls are playing in the park. The boys and girls are playing in the park. I am not talking about any particular one. In general, I am talking in general. So boys and girls, all these are general names. But if, suppose her name is Poonam, the girl who is sitting on the swing. If I will say that Poonam is swinging, that means I am talking about a particular girl whose name is Poonam. She is swinging. That means I am talking about a particular girl, Poonam. And Poonam here, Poonam is a special name. Clear? Poonam is a special name. So, what is a general name? The names which we talk in general are called general names, and the names which when we talk about a particular person, place or thing, that is called special names. Okay, when we talk about a person or thing or animal or place in general, suppose we are talking about, suppose there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. We are not talking about any particular day. We are talking in general that there are 7 days in a week. But if I will say that Sunday is the first day of the week, then Sunday will be the special name, because I am particularly talking about Sunday. Isn't it? I am not talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I am particularly talking about Sunday. So Sunday is a special name. And when I am talking about that there are 7 days in a week, so days, it is a general name. Clear to all? It's clear? Okay. Now see here. Naming words and the 2 types of naming words that we are going to learn, we are learning now, general names and special names. Now, if I will ask you the definition of general name or special name, what you will say? So, first one, general names. The names of a person, places, things or animals in general are called general names. The names of a person, places, things in general are called general names. So what will be the examples? Suppose boy, girl, copy, book, teacher, then fruits, anything, any animal. These are the etc, etc, etc. These are the example of general name. Now, special names. The names of a person, places, things in particular. In particular, when we talk about any persons, things or places in particular, that is called special name. That is called special names. Now for special names, suppose my name, Reena, your English book, the place where you live, Bokaro, some fruit that you like, suppose I like mango, so mango, etc., etc. These are the special names. The names of cities, the names of countries, the names of any festivals. These are the special names. So, understand what are general names and what are special names? Now, everyone take out your application book, English application book. Take it out. So, this is your application book, A, and take out page number 31. Page number 31. Worksheet 3.4. 3.4. Now here two friends are there. They are talking with each other. Okay. I am going to read this and you will put your fingers. You will also put your fingers and you will repeat after me. Okay. Everyone will put their fingers and repeat after me. Let's start. Nina and Gina meet in a park. Nina and Gina meet in a park. Hi Nina. Hello Gina. She is Nina and she is Gina. Okay. Is that your new doll? Nina is asking Gina that, is that your new doll? Yes. Its name is Anu. I like it. Have you met my dog? No. He is very sweet. Does he have a name? Yes. I call him Tofu. Tofu? My cousin's nickname is also Tofu. That's nice. Now I have to go. My mother is waiting near the gate. Bye. Bye. So, these two friends are talking to each other. Now, have you noticed? Here, some words are written in red color and some are in blue color. Why? See, the name Nina is in red, Gina is in red, Anu is in red, Tofu is in red, isn't it? Because they all are special names. They are the particular names, isn't it? Nina, the particular name of this girl, Gina, the particular name of this girl, Anu, the particular name of Gina's doll, isn't it? Tofu, it is a particular name of this dog, Nina's dog, isn't it? Tofu is the name of this particular dog. So, and the words written in blue, doll, dog, cousins, mother, doll. Here, is that your new doll? Doll. Is she telling any particular name of this doll? No. So, these are general names. Dog, mother. These all are general names. Clear? Now turn the page. They are talking in general. See here. All the names in blue are general names. All names in red are special names. Okay? General names begin with small letter. Yes, one thing more, I missed it. General names always begins with small letter and special names always begins with capital letter. See, special names begins with a capital letter. General names always begin with a small letter and special names always begin with a capital letter. Clear? Now complete this table given below. A. This one is your homework. This one is your homework. Okay? You have to do this in your home. The general names are mother, father, school, cousin, park, road, city. Anything in general when we talk, that is general name. But when we talk about that, my mother's name is. So here you have to write your mother's name. Your mother's name, whatever your mother's is. Suppose my name is Reena. So this is a special name now because my name is Reena. Not everyone's name is Reena. In the same way, you have to write your mother's name and that will be the special name. Your father's name, your school's name, your cousin's name and the park in which you play. Okay? Because these are the particular name. Here you will write the particular name of your mother. Isn't it? Of your father, of your school. So these are special names. And here these are general names. But this one is homework. Now come to question number B. Here, see, colored balls with special names in red and balls with general names in blue. What you have to do? You have to color the balls with special names in red and general names in blue. So take out your red color and blue color. Here my red color and my blue color. Okay. Everyone take out your red and blue color crayons. Now see first one. Ravi. It is a name now, particular name. So we will color it with red. Color like this. We'll color this one with red color. Color it properly. Then London. London is also a name, particular name. Colored with red. Diwali, a particular name of a festival, red. Now here teacher. Is there any particular name of this teacher? No. So with blue, it is a general name. Okay. Girl, any girl. Here we are talking about any girl. As here we were talking about any teacher. Here also we are talking about any girl. So blue. Country. Any country. Not a particular. No name. So blue. This is a general name. Weekday. Any weekday. We are talking here. We are talking about any weekday. It may be Monday. It may be Thursday. It may be Saturday. It may be Friday. Any weekday. So blue. Pencil. Here also we are not talking about Natras pencil or Apsara gold or light pencil, dark pencil, any pencil. Sofa. Any sofa. So blue. All these are general names. Chocolate. Here we are not talking about Milky Bar or Perk or Cadbury's. We are talking in general. Chocolate. Blue. Here Sunday. Sunday, here we are talking about a particular day. isn't it? Particular day. So it will be red. This is a special name. India. This one also, here we are talking about a particular country, India. So this will be also red. So you have to color this according to their names. General names, blue color, and special names, red color. Okay? Understand everyone? Now in our next class, we will do some exercises in our copy so that you can understand it properly. Clear? And this is your homework. This is your homework. Page number 32, question number A. Page number 32, question number A is your homework. Clear? So this much for today. And again we will meet in our next class with some exercises in the copy, in our note copy. Okay? So bye students. Take care.